Welcome to week 1 of your interactive lectures. Introduction to Writing. Hello, I'm Mary Smith, your introduction in the English 101 class. Hi, I'm Kim. Hi, I'm Tom. College writing? Seriously? When will I ever need to write for my job? I don't know, Tom. I certainly hope that I will learn some new tricks. Instructor Smith remembers a conversation she had with her career services department and has an idea about helping Tom see the importance of improving his writing skills, so she jots down a few notes. What do experts say about good writing skills? Job candidates do themselves no favors when they don't pay attention to detail. Most hiring authorities see typos as low quality and not good for the job, says Rachel Farrell, careerbuilder.com. Heather Husman says turning in any application materials like a resume with spelling or grammar mistakes is a huge don't. A hiring manager will likely throw your papers into the recycling bin for simple mistakes like these because they show a lack of detail. I'm always looking for a clear, crisp, concise, correctly spelled, well-written resume, says Jeff Protentis. This is Tom's resume. Instructor Smith edited it using the written assignment rubric to help Tom see the kinds of improvements he needs to make. We will come back to this resume later. I had no idea my writing was that bad. How can academic writing help me improve my resume? Good question, Tom. The first tip I would like to offer you is to first know what's expected in your writing. You can do this by reviewing your writing rubric. Instructor Smith also reminds Tom that the writing process is his roadmap to becoming an effective academic writer. Taking a step-by-step approach is crucial to maintaining strong organization and focus in his writing. Grammar concepts. One of my classmates told me to not use are or you because we're in college. Oh, I didn't know it was a problem, says Kim. The grammar concepts we cover will definitely help you improve your writing professional communication as well, says the teacher. Tips for mastering your college writing. Subject-verb agreement. Both the subject of your sentence and the verb need to agree. If the subject is plural, as in apples, then the verb needs to match the plural noun. Those apples are placed into baskets. Verb tenses. Verb tenses refer to the time frame of the action expressed in the sentence. Just as the subject and verb need to agree within a sentence, so does the verb tense within a sentence. The 6 major tenses are present tense, past tense, future tense, present perfect tense, past perfect tense, and future perfect. If you don't know what those are, you can always email me so I can create a presentation for you about that. Pronoun antecedent agreement. Pronouns are parts of speech that take the place of nouns. A pronoun refers to its antecedent. It refers to the noun that it's taking the place of. So that's the end of interactive week 1 lecture. If you have any questions, feel free to email me.